kind of struggle that an individual girl goes through because of a different fall of religion. Okay, and how an individual girl goes through a trauma of being centralized for no reason. Okay, and it talks about how you have to overcome your own fears. The way the lead girl here, I will not name her, you'll come to know as we proceed with the chapter. So you'll come to know what kind of segments does she focus upon. Okay, and as an individual, we all go through this phase of life. Okay, maybe we are accepted by certain part of society, and certain part of society neglects us or rejects us or doesn't accept us. But that anyway shouldn't affect our own approach, our own behavior. Okay, I hope my voice is clearly audible to you, dear students. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. In case if you are not able to hear it, just let me know. Okay, fine. So that's what we are going to learn in this particular chapter. Okay, because it is in two parts, we'll have to understand the story in detail. Okay, what are the elements that it focuses upon, and the characteristic trait of a girl. Okay, sure. Who is going to read?
100 dresses.
100 dresses part 1.
Okay, sir.
So who would be reading today? I'm not a good reader. Okay. Then you'll have to read the entire chapter in one link. Okay. Will you be able to? We'll see. Chalo, pay attention. You have to read aloud. Okay. Pay attention. We are starting with the 100 dresses part 1. Okay. Start. Oh yes, you have to read before you read.
How do we grade the people around us? By their money, wealth, or possession? Or is there something of more enduring value to look for in a person? This story is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her class. Wanda Petronsky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in American town.
Yes, so basically this poem is this story is going to talk about a kind of girl who is a college going girl, but she is not financially stable. Okay, or the entire family is not financially stable, but she goes into the typical American girls school. Okay, and where she has to undergo this kind of discrimination. Like we as an individual, we may not know, but the person who is undergoing the financial crisis, there are certain stigmas that have been associated, like they don't have enough number of clothes to wear on everyday basis. Okay, and just because she keeps on wearing the same clothes over and over again in her school, she is subject to have discrimination, or other people treat her in a way she is different, and they make fun of her. Okay, continue.
These children see Wanda as different in many ways. Can you guess how they treat her? Read the information in the box below. Find out more about this community or about a related topic from an encyclopedia or the internet.
Yes, that is important.
The Polish-American community in the United States.
Yes, so there is this entire community called the Polish community, okay? And the kind of discrimination they go through in the American society. One such example is given here. There are several examples. If we look into the history, there are several examples which have been framed. But when it comes to this girl called Wanda Petronsky, you remember the spelling, dear students. It is really important because this is going to trouble you for 2 chapters. And she is the lead character. So you'll have to remember her name. So pehle se hi uska spelling you prepare it. Wanda, W-A-N-D-A, Petronsky, P-A-T-R-O-N-S-K-I, if I'm not wrong, right? So Wanda Petronsky. So that's the spelling, you remember her. Okay, not much you will know about her, but still she is centralized in these 2 chapters. Rarely we know that she speaks something. So when she speaks something, you have to focus. because then questions are somewhere near her only. Okay, so what she speaks, you have to understand very clearly. Please continue.
The first Polish immigrants arrived in America in 1680, but the largest wave of Polish immigration occurred in the early 20th century, when more than 1 million Poles migrated to the United States. The Polish state did not exist at that time, and the immigrants were identified according to their country of origin rather than to ethnicity. They were identified as Russian Poles, German Poles, and Austrian Poles.
Yes, because they were not the Native Americans. Okay, so when you know that when you're not native, you are subject to be discriminalized. Okay, like what happened with Nelson Mandela? What did he fight for? Right? So he fought for the Africans, the African Americans, right? Where the blacks were not accepted in the United States of America, right? So different, you see, discriminations have been fought by different leaders of the world. Continue.
One of the most notable Polish American communities is in Chicago and its suburbs. So, Chicago is sometimes called the second largest Polish city in the world, next only to Warsaw, the capital of Poland. Polish Americans were sometimes discriminated against the United States as were the Irish, Italians, and the Jews.
Yes, so basically, you know, you find people in USA, migrants and immigrants from different parts of the world. But when it comes to, you know, the Polish people, they have been treated separately. They believe that, no, they are told that this country doesn't belong to them. And, you know, when your nation treats you like this, you know that you have been here for years and years. Your ancestors were here. But you being the fourth or fifth generation, still you are not accepted. You know, having the American nationality, but the roots being Polish. Okay, still they're not able to accept you. I don't know, but how many of you, there is one place near Junagadh, and you know, they are the African settlers over there, and they have been living there since 3 to 4 generations. So they were basically slaves who ran and you know, shifted to Gujarat, and they've been living there since, you know, 3 to 4 generations now. So they look like Africans, but they speak typical Kathiawadi Gujarati. So it's a very, very deadly and hybrid combination, you know. I will get the place next time. But there is a Rajula, there is this place near Veerpur or like that. I forgot the name. But I've seen a couple of videos of them, and they are known for their, you know, dramatics. You know, acts, because the local, you know, people who are in the theater, they pick them up for the authenticity, you know. So anyway, they are earning really very nice. But they look Africans, but they speak typical Kathiawadi Gujarati. Now you imagine, just imagine how they look like. And they just speak like you and me, Gujarati. Maybe better than us actually. Because it's their 4th or 5th generation. Born and brought up in Gujarat, but they look like the Africans. Continue, please.
According to the United States 2000 census, 667, 414 American, sorry, 667,414 Americans of age 5 years and older reported Polish as the language spoken at home, which is about 1.4% of the people who speak languages other than English, or 0.25% of the US population.
Yes, see, now don't worry about the statistics, okay? This is just given for the sake of information. You don't have to prepare this, but just you have to have that knowledge of what is the percentage of the Polish people, that is 0.25% in the entire United States of America.
Today, Monday, Wanda Petrowski was not even sick, but nobody, not even Peggy and Madeline, the girl who started.
So this Madeline will be known as Maddie in the letter. So keep a habit of calling her as Maddie and Peggy. Okay.
The girls who started all the noticed her act. Usually, one steps in the seat next to the last seat, the last row in the room 13.
Yes. Now you see, when you see, when I say you, okay, please take it as a general, okay, because there will be many use I will be addressing in these 2 chapters. Okay, so, and these are the general qualities that I'm going to describe, not related to you or me. So it's when you're poor, you are least noticed. And you must have observed this around your society also. So for that particular day, Venda was not. That was still no one noticed her presence because when you are rich, you have a glamour around you. People treat you very special because you are known for good things carried by you. You are a very cool kind of person when you are so rich, or when you're trying to show that you are rich. There's a difference, See, you show yourself when you are rich, and when you are rich, you show yourself. There's a difference. Those people who are rich, they don't need to show that they are rich. But those people who are trying to show that they are rich, they actually need to show that they are rich. You observe, you observe in your class also. You have at least that one person who will show that he is the coolest of all, or she is the coolest of all. And everyone has those kind of people in their life at some or the other age. You feel that, oh my God, what's wrong with him, or why is he or she behaving so weirdly? Because these kind of people, they need a special treatment. They need to be treated very special because they have the coolest bag to carry. They have gadgets that they wear every day, funky gadgets and everything. So they try to show off that they are rich, but the poor people, they are never waited for, they are never noticed, and that's what exactly happened with Venda Petronsky. Please continue.
She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not get good marks sat.
Yeah, usually in a class, the corner is always famous for those kind of people only. Those who are not doing good in the life. No, I mean, sorry, in the academics. But anyways, even if I say life, that is also fair. So those kind of guys, who are not so good in academics, they don't want to be noticed. So, like when there is an oral exam in the class, they prefer that they sit in the corner. But the corner people are noticed first. Okay, so they sit at the last bench, or second or third last bench, extremely left side row. Okay, so Venda was found sitting there. Now, unlike the other notorious guys in the class, she was not notorious. But she had a reason why she was found sitting there, and we'll come to know in next few lines. Please continue.
The corner of the room where there was most scuffling of feet, most roars of laughter when anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt.
Yes, so the last sentence says most mud used to found there. She was coming from an area where it was a lot of muddy, a lot of wetty. So the moment when she used to enter in the class, and she had that muddy and wet feet or shoes. So she used to sit at the last bench, and by the end of the day, the floor was full of dirt. Okay, along with the other naughty or notorious students. She was found sitting there not because she was naughty, but she didn't want to be noticed with this kind of shoes that she was wearing.
Vanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. And nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud. Sometimes she twisted her mouth in a crooked sort of smile.
I'm sorry, can you please read the last 2 lines again?
Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile, but that was all.
Yeah, now when this kind of people, they are the least attention seeker people. So, whenever if there is anything, the joke was cracked in the class, or when then everyone had to laugh, she had a kind of very silent laugh, silent smile, or a kind of smile, हंस के तुरंत बंद कर देना, जैसे कोई notice ना करे. She didn't want to be noticed. All right. So even if she found things very funny, but she didn't want to showcase that she found it actually funny. And there were several reasons why. See, dear students, I want you to take this chapter seriously, not from the point of view because it is there in your syllabus, but also from the point of view of the social status that, you know, as an individual student goes through, or a teenager, maybe a boy or a girl goes through. Okay. So if you try to, you know, see Wanda Petronsky, you know, in both the chapters, you will literally feel that, you know, you feel pity on her. I'm sure you'll end up feeling pity for her. Okay. And trust me, if you don't feel pity, I will stop teaching. So you need to understand the characteristic traits that Wanda Petronsky goes through. Okay. There was a reason. Ab dekho, hasna aaya to ab suna na apna hasna awaaz. See, that's a kind of free smile and laughter. Now, अब मैं ऐसे हंस रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मेरे बाजू वाले को पता नहीं कि मैंने हंस के बंद कर दिया, ठीक है? Then there is a reason. See, as a friend, it's your job that you have to figure out that what is the reason that, you know, she couldn't laugh out loud. Okay, please continue.
Nobody knew exactly what Wanda said in that state. Unless it was because she came all the way working heights and people usually take grammar.
Yeah, so no one was able to figure out that why Wanda Petronsky has specified herself, you know, to sit at this place only. Why not other? Maybe if you also figure out the reason that maybe she comes from Boggins Heights. Now remember this place also because this is her place where she lives. Okay, and basically Boggins Heights is known for not so good kind of you know, residential environment, or not so kind of acceptable residential environment. Because the place where she comes from, you know, is not so that particular good. So that is also the reason why she's trending among the rich people, right? And the other reason is that her feet are always caked with mud. Okay, yes, continue.
But no one really thought much about the Wanda Petrosky. Once she sat in the corner of the room.
Yes, so why she sat on the corner of the room, no one noticed, or no one even paid attention to. Continue.
The time when they thought about Wanda was outside of school hours at evening time. When they were coming back to school or in the morning early before the school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to school.
Yes, now imagine. वेंडा पेट्रोस्की की याद उनको तब भी आती थी, या तो स्कूल से पहले, या तो स्कूल के बाद, या तो बीच में ब्रेक हो अगर, या तो ग्रुप में, you know, कोई स्टूडेंट्स खड़े हैं, ठीक है, फ्रेंड सर्कल खड़ा है, तब then they have a good chance to make a fun of her. Okay, बाकी क्लास में तो उसको कोई चिढ़ाता नहीं था, लेकिन अगर शायद चलो वेंडा पेट्रोस्की से कोई जल्दी आ रही है और हम भी उसके साथ है, तो थोड़ा बहुत मजाक उसका हम बना लेते थे. देखो, उसके साथ मजाक करना, उसका मजाक करना, there is a difference. See, your friends can have fun with you, but cannot make fun of you. It's a different story, right? But Wanda Petronsky always was a subject of fun for those girls, especially Peggy and Maddie. Okay? Continue.
Then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her.
और कुछ दफा तो और उसकी राह इसलिए देखते थे कि उसका मजाक उड़ा पाए, इसलिए नहीं कि चलो वो अकेली कैसे आएगी, हम साथ में जाएंगे, ठीक है ना, रास्ता एक ही है तो. No, not because of that, just to make fun of her. Continue.
The next day, Tuesday, Wanda was not in the school either, and nobody noticed her again.
So next day was a Tuesday, and again she was not found, and no one even cared that why she didn't come to the school. Continue.
But on Wednesday, Eddie and Mary, who sat down in front with other children who got good marks and who didn't cry in a whole lot of money, they noticed Wanda wasn't there.
Yes, because अब जब finally marks disclose हो रहे थे, जब एक दूसरे को marks बता रहे थे, तब पैगी और मेडी को realize हुआ कि वेंडा पेट्रोस्की कहीं दिख नहीं रही है, कहाँ है, आई है कि नहीं, ऐसा. Continue.
Peggy was the most popular girl.
Yeah, और होता है ना, मतलब एक तो होता है जो हमेशा पॉपुलर होता है, और क्यों पॉपुलर होता है वो हमें भी नहीं पता, right? But then he or she is popular for some of the other reasons. Popular in a way that everyone knows him or her. Probably, you know, he or she is the talk of the town or talk in the staff room. Or probably, you know, when he or she passes through the corridors, people notice him or her. That is what the word popular here means. Okay, continue. So who was the most popular person Peggy. Okay, continue. और मैडी उसकी चमची. Movies में दिखाते हैं ना कि there are rich girls and there are always girls who will be behind them only, right? Maybe in a group and the rich girl will be in the center. Like you see, in ABCD, not ABCD actually, Student of the Year, where the rich girls are shown. There are always 2, 3 girls or 4, 5 girls, accompanying the rich girl for no reasons. You see then, way back, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Have you seen that movie? In Kareena Kapoor, she always is accompanied by 2 other girls, and no one knows those 2 girls. And why they are, constantly with Kareena Kapoor, they also don't know. But they're always found, right? Maybe best friends for some reasons. But always the lead and central character was Kareena Kapoor. So here is also Peggy. She's the lead of all, and she is popular for maybe some reasons or no reasons. Continue.
She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes and her hair was curly.
3 reasons why Peggy was popular. She, first of all, was pretty. Second, she had good clothes. Yeah. And third, she had a pretty hair. Now, remember these characteristics, dear students. This can be asked for your 1 mark or 2 mark. State why Peggy was famous. So she was pretty, she had good clothes to wear, and third, she had good hairs, curly hairs. Yeah, curly hairs. Okay, continue.
Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda dancing was because Wanda had made them late to school.
Yes. अब reason क्यों Peggy और Maddie Wanda को याद कर रहे थे इसलिए क्योंकि सुबह जब आ रहे थे तब पैगी ने बोला कि चलो थोड़ी देर वेंडा की राह देखते हैं, ठीक है ना. और ऐसा करते करते वेंडा आई नहीं और उसकी वजह से पैगी और मैडी भी स्कूल में लेट हो गए. And that was also one of the reasons why Peggy and Maddie they were recalling or remembering Wanda Petronsky because she didn't turn up. Okay, and they were basically late for the school. Continue.
They had waited and waited for Wanda to have some fun with her, and she didn't.
She didn't turn up. So basically, Wanda made a fool of his too. If you see directly or indirectly, who made fun of who? It was Wanda Petronsky. But by not appearing at all. Continue.
They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Wanda Petronsky. Most of the children in the room thought English are names like that.
Yes. Now see, one of the reasons why they subjected or they targeted Wanda Petronsky was there in the entire class. There was no one with this kind of weird name called Wanda Petronsky because this kind of names are for usually of the Polish people. All right. So she was one. Continue.
They had names easy to say, like Thomas Smith Allen.
Yes, and also called Jessica, right? But then this kind of name was very weird, right? Wanda Petronsky. So example भी दिया कि देखो नाम होना चाहिए तो कैसे होना चाहिए? Tom है, Smith है, John है, ऐसा नाम होना चाहिए. ये Wanda Petronsky कहाँ का नाम है? उसके नाम में ही fun है. You see? Understand this. Continue.
There was one boy named Bounce, Billy Bounce, and people thought that was funny, but not funny in the same way that Petronsky was.
Yeah. मतलब एक दूसरा बंदा भी था क्लास में जिसका नाम था क्या? बाउंस, विली बाउंस. यार ये भी फनी था लेकिन उतना फनी नहीं था जितना कि वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की था. मतलब फनी था लेकिन नॉट टू दैट लेवल ऑफ वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की. जैसे उतना नाम उतना वियर्ड था उतना नहीं था बट था. ओके, कंटिन्यू.
Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone.
Yes. So this can be your 1 marker or 2 marker question. That Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone and went from school back to her home all alone. Continue.
She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't have black.
Underline this. She always wore faded blue dress. Dear students, online students, are you able to understand what I'm explaining you? Reply, unmute yourself and say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes,
then why your cameras are turned off? I can't see you. It looks like I'm talking to the icons. Keep your cameras on. Come on. Because this entire meeting is recorded. Imagine I'm speaking all alone and talking to the icons. How will it look like? Right? It won't look good. Okay? So keep your cameras on, everyone. Yes, continue.
It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly.
See, now imagine, when like you take your school uniform, for example. Now you know that you have to wear your school uniform every day, right? So every day, ironing your uniform is not possible, but you wash it, right? So now imagine, when you wash on everyday basis, the color is definitely going to fade, right? At once, like, maybe in a month or 2, 3 months, 4 months, the color will start fading. So वैसे तो क्लीन थे, लेकिन कभी उसके कपड़े आयरन नहीं हुआ करते थे, मे बी शायद रोज कपड़े उसके धुलते थे और couldn't press it, so it started getting fade day by day. Continue.
She didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her.
Yes, होता है ना, मतलब कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे तो भी उसके बारे में लोग बातें करते थे. Maybe she was the odd one out in the entire school. She was the odd one out. Continue.
Sometimes they surrounded her in the schoolyard and stood watching the little girls play hopscotch.
Hopscotch मतलब पता है ना, वो बॉक्स बनाया होता है, मतलब एक पैर रखते फिर दो रखते फिर दो, वो बॉक्स बनाया होता है, that is hopscotch. Okay, so what used to happen that when Wanda Petrovsky was busy watching these young girls playing the hopscotch, the other girls of her class used to surround her. Okay, and used to start making fun of her. However, Wanda Petrovsky might not have done anything. She was just watching those young girls playing the hopscotch, right? But then these girls used to surround her for more reasons and used to start making fun of her. Continue.
I would say in a most courteous manner, as though she were talking to Miss Max. Wanda, she said, giving one of her friends a nudge. Tell us, how many dresses did you say
Yes,
you
no,
had?
in a very teasing manner. Oh, Wanda, tell me how many dresses do you have? Doesn't have friends को बोलते देखा उसको ले इसे उसका ध्यान है तो Wanda, tell me how many dresses you say you have in that particular way. So see, now when you when a person is a poor, that's not the fault. But when you make them realize that they are poor, that's surely your fault. Okay, and here the girls were doing the same. There were some reasons why Wanda Petrovsky used to wear the same clothes every day, but these girls, for them, Wanda Petrovsky was just, a matter of talk, matter of making fun of. Okay, so Peggy, it was Peggy who made fun of her by telling her that, tell me, Wanda, how many dresses do you have? You said, okay, continue.
Sir, what is the meaning of courteous?
Just a minute. What?
Sir, meaning of courteous.
Courteous in a very polite manner, in a very humble. मतलब इतना भी humble के जैसे किसी को चिढ़ाते हो, कितना humble हो गए हो तो अच्छा प्रांजल अच्छा एक बात बताओ अच्छा अच्छा हाँ. So see, this is how courteous it is, right? But you know the intention behind this, right? The intention is to make the fun, but it is a courteous, right? Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Please go ahead.
100, Wanda would say. 100 actually all the girls, little girls, enthusiastically, and the little girls would stop playing hopscotch.
Yes. So in response to what Peggy asked her how many dresses she had, she said 100. In a very innocent way. And, of course, Peggy, responded 100. So, जो आजू-बाजू में छोटी बच्ची हैं जो खेल रही थी hopscotch, they stopped playing hopscotch because they were also shocked, right? 100 dresses. Continue.
Yes, 100, all lined up.
Yes.
Said Wanda. Then her thin lips drew together inside.
Yes, 100 and all lined up together. They have been series all together, right? That's what she says. And everyone was shocked. Continue.
What are they like? All silk.
No. मतलब कौन सी तरह के कपड़े हैं नहीं सब सिल्क है. That's what she said. Continue.
Yeah, all silk, all colors. Velvet shoes,
हाँ वेलवेट भी है, सब कलर, हाँ सब वेलवेट, हाँ वेलवेट भी, you know, like that. Continue.
Velvet too, 100 dresses, 100 rupees, sorry, all lined up in my closet.
Yes, all of them lined up in her closet. Continue.
And they did let her go. And then, before she'd gone far away, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and fits of laughter.
Yes, मतलब देखो कि जैसे वो थोड़ी दूर गई नहीं कि पीछे पूरा ग्रुप एक दूसरे को ताली देते हुए हंसते हुए बोला था कि 100 dresses होती। तो इस सपने में भी देखे 100 dresses कैसे होती है ना, then the group, then they clap and the, you know, the laughter, the burst of laughter started taking place. Continue.
100 dresses. Obviously, the only dress Wanda had was blue one she wore every day.
Yes, 100 dresses का सिर्फ बहाना है उसका, जो ड्रेस उसके पास है वो कौन सा है, blue dress, and that too the faded one, right? Because अगर 100 dresses होते तो वो रोज पहन के नहीं आती. See, that's what the girls giggling is, right? That's what they say. Continue.
So, why did she say she had 100? What a story.
Yes, सब फेंक रही है. हाँ, अगर 100 dresses होते तो बोलती नहीं और पहन के नहीं आती, 100 अलग-अलग dresses सब फेंक रही है वो. That's what the girls are talking amongst each other. Continue.
How many shoes did you say you had? 16 pairs, all lined up in my
Yes, कोई दूसरा प्रश्न पूछो. अच्छा, कितने shoes है तुम्हारे? 16 pairs, and all lined up in a closet. Continue.
Price of exaggerated politeness dictated.
Oh, 16 pairs. You know, the exaggeration code. Cries of exaggeration. Continue.
All alike. Oh no, every pair is different. All colors, all lines.
हाँ, ये इसमें सब सेम कलर नहीं है, मतलब अलग अलग कलर के शूज है, लेकिन सब अलग अलग कलर के शूज एक लाइन में रखे हैं. Continue.
Teddy, who had thought of all this game, and Maggie, her inspirable friend, were always the last to leave.
Yes, मतलब पूरा ग्रुप चाहे चला जाता था, लेकिन पैगी और मैडी जो थे वो हमेशा लास्ट में जाते थे. They used to ensure कि नहीं हम पूरा मजाक उड़ा के जाए उसका. Continue.
Finally, Wanda would move up the street, her eyes dull and her mouth closed.
Yes.
Hitching her left shoulder every now and then, the funny way she had, finishing the walk to school alone.
Yes, maybe, you know, that was, I think, her daily task of going back to home, right? Because dull face, dull eyes, again made fun of, can't do anything about it, you know, and he's, you know, and going back to her home. Continue.
Penny was not really cruel. She protected small children from the bullies, and she tried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. If anybody had to say her, don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda? She would have been very surprised. Cruel. Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? Anybody could tell that was a lie. Why did she want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person, else why did she have a name like that?
Yes, now understand this, you know. अब पैगी सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं करती. पैगी को अगर वो देखती थी कि कोई दूसरे को चिढ़ा भी रहा है तो वो she used to stop them. And हमेशा, you know, every time she used to stop, you know, others bullying the juniors. And she was also the animal activist, right? She couldn't bear any kind of animal torture. So when someone used to tell her that you are supporting this kind of causes, then why are you actually teasing Gwenda Petrosky? So in the answer to this, she used to say that this is not the teasing. See, in case if she doesn't have, then why she says that she has 100 dresses, right? See, everyone knows she is lying, okay? She herself demands this kind of fun, okay? If she used to have this 100 dresses all lined up in a closet, probably we could have been able to see that, right? But she's lying. So there's nothing wrong that I'm doing to her, right? See, she also supports her own cause, right? Continue.
Anyway, they never made her cry. As
Yes.
for Maggie's
देखो ये भी बोल रहे हाँ रुलाया तो नहीं है ना, हम चिढ़ाते उसको. लेकिन रुलाने तक का नहीं चढ़ाते उसको, ठीक है, कि वो रोक के चली जाती है, ऐसा हम नहीं करते।
As for Medicare's business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats.
No, that's kind of mental torture. You know, that's the same kind of embarrassing question every day, you know, to a person, and in response you get the same kind of answer. So that's a kind of, you know, mental torture or mental trauma that you're giving to someone, and that's what, you know, Peggy used to do to Wanda Petronsky. Continue.
How many hats and how many different hats she had was bothering her. Maggie was poor herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Thank goodness. She didn't live up on Robin's height or have a money.
See, now understand this. Somehow, you know, मैडी समझ सकती कि वेंडा किस चीज से होके गुजर रही है. She was also, you know, as poor compared to Wanda Petronsky, but the good thing about her was that she didn't live in Boggins height. Second, किसी के second hand कपड़े उसके first hand कपड़े. Wanda Petronsky, याद रखना. See, these are the qualities you need to remember about Maddie, the close friend of Peggy. So while she was accompanying Peggy in the process of teasing Wanda Petronsky, somehow deep inside she knew this is not going wrong, right? There is something wrong. But probably she didn't have that courage to tell Peggy on her face, see, what you're doing is wrong. Okay, stop this. See, then what are friends for, right? If they don't stop you for what you're doing wrong, then what are friends for? But this kind of courage, probably Maddie couldn't gather. Okay, but deep inside, she was, you know, feeling what Wanda Petronsky might have been suffering from or going through. Because somehow she was very close to the financial, you know, conditions as like Wanda Petronsky. Okay, continue.
Sometimes just Peggy was asking Wanda this question, is that nothing followed twice. Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand.
Yes, you know, there's a मतलब ignore, सुन तो रहे लेकिन ignore कर रहे. ठीक है, आप देख रहे हो कि कोई चीज गलत हो रही है, but you are just taking away your eyes, you know. So many times even there have been cases where Peggy के second hand कपड़े भी Maddie ने पहने. अब Peggy के पास तो बहुत सारे, तो शायद वो भूल भी जाती थी. ये तो शायद एक जमाने में मेरा हुआ करता था ड्रेस जो Maddie तूने पहना है. But she was always afraid. What if Peggy comes to know about this? You see, understand what kind of situation Wanda and Maddie, you know, they both are going through. So, kai dafa, you know, when Peggy and Maddie were together, and when Peggy was teasing Wanda Petronsky, maybe, you know, Maddie was found, you know, playing with the stones like this, ignoring what Peggy is doing. See, if she would have been hearing what Peggy is doing, probably that would have been a slap on her own face. Despite she's seeing that something is going wrong and she's not able to do anything about it. Okay, you see the kind of embarrassment that even Maddie also is going through. Continue.
Rolling them around and saying herself. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game.
Yes, probably शायद अगर मैडी ने ड्रेस की बात नहीं की, पैगी ने ड्रेस की बात ना की होती तो शायद मैडी ने वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की के ऊपर इतना ध्यान भी दिया नहीं होता, क्योंकि जब बात अब ड्रेस की हो रही है तो कहीं ना कहीं शी इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग कि कल शायद मेरी बारी हो सकती, कल शायद पैगी मेरे को भी चिढ़ा है. मैं बस इसलिए गई हूं क्योंकि मैं बॉगिंग साइड से नहीं आती. बट पैगी हैज नॉट येट डिस्कवर्ड what Maddie is up to or where exactly Maddie perhaps stays, right? Continue.
But suppose Peggy and all of the others started in on her next. She wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor.
Yes. मैं वेंडा पेट्रोस्की जितनी तो poor नहीं थी लेकिन थी, ठीक है ना. और कहीं ना कहीं she had that fear in her mind that what if after Wanda Petronsky people start targeting her. Continue.
Of course, she would she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses.
Yes, तो बोलती है देखो इतनी जो समझदारी में दिखाऊंगी कि कल जाके अगर ये लोग मुझे टारगेट करते चिढ़ाने का तो मैं इतना तो इनको बोलूंगी नहीं कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है। जो पागलपंती वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की ने दिखाई है ये बोल के कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है, 16 pairs of shoes है, that kind of madness I will not. See, then she's going to save herself, right? Okay, शायद तीसरी बार लोग उसे ना चिढ़ाए क्यों? देखो कई दफा आप जैसा बोलते हो ना लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं तो फिर लोग आपको चिढ़ाते और रिएक्ट करते हो ना उसके हिसाब से उनका नेक्स्ट टाइम का टीजिंग आप रेडी कर रहे हो। You see if I tease you, okay, and you get angry, now I know that tomorrow also again I'm going to tease you. But if you don't react, okay, if you remain silent, you feel that dogs keep on barking, then least are they going to trouble you. But this should happen from the beginning. As somewhere in between you start ignoring, you don't consider, and they will torture you more and more to see your patience. To check your patience, they will keep on torturing you more. Continue, please.
She would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing one another.
But deep inside, माइंडी को यह था कि यार पैगी जो कर गलत है उसको यहाँ पे रुक जाना चाहिए. She should not tease Venda Petronsky anymore, but these things were in her heart. She couldn't speak. She couldn't speak to Peggy that, see, what you are doing is wrong. Stop doing that. Okay. And as a friend, you are always afraid of losing your friends. What if you tell your friends the reality, what it is? And maybe, they might, lose you, or you may probably lose them. Because, being a teenager is one of the most difficult tasks in life. Trust me. Because, a lot of emotions you go through up and down, and you don't know what to do. That's the problem of a teenager, let me tell you. And understand this if I am telling you, I have experienced. I have also been through this age, you know that. And many times, by the time we understand, things have gone out of our hand. So we don't have control over them. But then, if we get a right guidance at the right time, probably, we can save our rest of the teenage. Like somewhere if you're in 15 or 16, and if you get a good counselor, probably our 16, 17, and 18th and 19th year will be very good. But to get is very difficult. And we are in such a state, egoist state, I'll tell you, we are not ready to accept that I can be wrong. आज मैं अगर आपको बोलूंगी ये मेरा बहुत गलत कर रही है तो मैं मुझे कहा. You see, I'm not talking about you, everyone. You see, ego, there will always be an ego clash. And trust me, you alone can only control your ego and anger. Trust me. And because, if you get angry right now, if you show your ego right now, you'll have a lot of regret later to do. And during your regret, there will be no one around you. You'll be regretting alone. And trust me, see, at least once in our life, we have spoken in a louder voice to our parents. Trust me. And they've been so helpless, they didn't react to you, thinking that you are just a kid. Trust me, they have all rights to slap you and hit you. And you would not be able to do anything. Trust me. But they decided what? To remain quiet. So that you can have a regret. See, if they would have reacted you and they would have slapped you, probably there would have been action and reaction according to Newton. Right? Newton's law of action and reaction, you know that, right? But now, when you have got angry and your parents have been quiet, you will have an immediate regret. Shit, will happen. You cry alone because you are also afraid of showing your tears. You feel shy. Right? And see, it's very natural. I will tell you what, what exactly you go through, right? In many of the chapters that we are going to have, you are definitely going to have series of emotions attached to those chapters. Trust me. But we have to get over it. Take a pause. And when you're about to get angry, relax. Trust me, it is very difficult. It is very difficult, you know. मतलब anger एकदम peak के ऊपर है, and sir is asking to kill it. It's very difficult, but trust me, you will not have regret later. You will save a relation. Understand this, okay? Half of the times here, Wenda Petronsky didn't react, but deep inside there was always a pain that she went through. That there is no solution to this teasing. Okay, it is going to happen till the time she is here in this American girls' school. A Polish girl in an American girls' school. Understood? Please continue.
So even though they had to play to school, Mary was glad she had not had to be on a point. She worked her arithmetic problems at split Monday. 8 times 8, let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right up to Peggy.
So even though, you know, there were times, you know, where she invested in her own self, she had a thought of her own self. She used to decide to solve the maths, problem. But deep inside, she used to think that, you know, she'll never be able to write a letter to Peggy. Maybe, see, when you're not able to speak, a letter does a work. Okay, try at times, you know, and, you know, try to say sorry to your parents in letter, and you will still feel shy. Trust me. It's very heavy. See, it has been almost 15, 16 years you have been living with your parents now, right? But still to say sorry, you know, you will find a little hesitation. You figure out the reason, right? That job, I leave it to you, right? So many times even, you know, Maddie also felt that, you know, I should tell Peggy. Maybe if I'm not able to speak what she's doing wrong, maybe I should write and, you know, give her this letter that, see, Peggy, what you're doing is wrong. You should stop teasing Wenda Petronsky. Okay. But then she also knows the next consequence. The day if she will stop teasing Wenda Petronsky, the next target will be Maddie. Understand this? See, basically, Peggy wants someone to be teased. Now, if she comes to know that Maddie is taking the support of Wenda Petronsky, earlier she was teasing one, now she will tease two. See, these are the fears that Maddie is having, right? Okay, and I think you put yourself in place of Maddie and you will also have these fears. Okay, understand this. Continue, please.
To speak right up to Peggy, say, hey, Peg, let's stop asking what how many dresses she has.
She wishes to write this in her letter. Hey, Peg, let us stop asking Wenda Petronsky how many dresses she has. Understood? She wants to write this, but himmat nahi aa rahi. Continue.
When she finished her arithmetic, she did start to Peggy. Suddenly, she paused and shuddered.
Looks so clear, but then okay. Continue.
She pictured herself in a schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and other girls.
Remember I told you that if she's asking Peggy to stop teasing Wenda Petronsky, somewhere deep inside she feels, imagine if they stop teasing Wenda Petronsky. I will be the next. Chances to mere bhi continue.
Peggy might ask her where she got the dresses and that she had on.
Yes. Maybe she'll not be able to answer because she wears second-hand dresses, right? Continue.
And Kelly would have to say it was one of Peggy's older ones and that Mary's mother had tried to disguise with new gimmicks so over in the room 30 music.
Now understand this. This is really an amazing thing. She says, what if, you know, she targets me and she tells me that, you know, what kind of dress you are wearing, okay? और मैडी की मम्मी का क्या था कि जो भी ऐसे सेकंड हैंड ड्रेसेस होते उसमें कुछ ड्रेसेस पैगी के भी होते थे, तो उसमें कुछ 19-20 करके she used to make, you know, second hand new one for Maddie. But what if Peggy comes to know about this? ठीक है, कुछ छोटी मोटी, you know, डिजाइन करके या फिर कुछ ऐड करके या फिर कुछ रिमूव करके, it was a kind of second hand best for Maddie. What if Peggy comes to know about this. Continue.
Only Peggy this side of her own accord discovered from Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short brown hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What difference did it make? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the note she had found.
Understand this. ये देखो ये solution का आ गया, ठीक है? I cannot basically do with the thing that I will write a letter to Peggy and so the only way Peggy can stop teasing Wanda Petronsky if she herself decides. I want to stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. So ये सोच, while she was busy writing the letter, his thoughts kept on peeping in her mind and ultimately, she tore away the letter. Continue.
She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room.
हाँ, देखो उसका ऑब्जर्व पता है कि वो पैगी की बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी और पैगी कौन थी? पूरी स्कूल में फेमस, ठीक है ना? अब फेमस लड़की का बेस्ट फ्रेंड होना इक्वली फेमस ही होना. कंटिन्यू.
She could not possibly do anything that was really wrong.
शायद उसको दूसरी साइड भी सोचने में आ रही है कि शायद पैगी इंटेंशनली ये ना कर रही हो, ठीक है? Maybe that is coming very natural from her side, ठीक है? So somewhere she feels that Peggy is doing this unintentionally. Okay, mark it till here. Okay. Any doubts so far? Any queries? Understood? How much is left? Can you tell me? 2 pages, 3 pages? 2 pages, right? So next time we are about to finish it. Did you understand the story so far? Are you clear with Wanda Petronsky, where she comes from? Then Peggy, Maddie, okay? And I think there is Miss Wilson. What is it? Miss
Wilson.
No, it's not Mason, yeah? M-A-S-O-N. So she is her teacher, class teacher probably. इनका नाम जब 2 जगह पे आएगा याद रखना, part 1 में और part 2. So remember the name of this teacher is Miss or Mrs. Miss Mason, okay? So Miss ka M capital M-S dot and M Mason ka M capital M-A-S-O-N, right? Fine. So remember this name. Also, she's the general teacher or the class teacher of this particular class. Any doubts? Any queries? अच्छा, अब इसके बीच में ना कुछ questions दिए, if you can see. There are questions given, dear students, in the middle of this chapter, if you could see, right? I cannot see a couple of you very clearly. Keep your cameras at proper angle, dear students. Sneha, I cannot see you. Pranjwal, I cannot see you. Come on, Devanshi, I cannot see you. Beta Mahi, come on, keep it at proper angle, everyone. Okay, so there are some questions given in the middle of this chapter so far, and your job is to answer them in your note. And next time will be, once we are done with this entire chapter, we'll be discussing those sub questions from the chapters. Just remind me. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Online students, any queries? You can show your thumb like this. Quick. Yes, very good. All right then, thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.